Hi, my name's Cameron. This is a bit of an insight into your CPCS 360 excavator above 10 ton test. Hopefully this will help you and give you a bit of a heads up of what to expect. You're required to carry out all the pre-start checks to the machine and running checks. We're going to cover this on a separate video. For the dig, you're required to dig a 15 metre trench, which is 1 metre deep, and then a square manhole at the end, which is 1.5 metres deep. Position the machine so you are using the full working range, but not too far that you can't reach the bottom edge at 1 metre deep to make it square. It's important that you pull straight, get full buckets, and also that you're digging in lateral layers without scooping. You're going 1 metre deep, so you need to make sure that you place your spoil at least 1 metre away, so your edges do not collapse. You also don't want to put it too far away so you can't reach it when you are backfilling. You need to keep your edges clean. Every couple of buckets, just pull them in towards yourself. But it should be a counter. If you could just find the answer, you know it could be a counter. If you're just a wee bit less of a wanker, more than half of the time. The hardest part of the game. Square the back edge of the trench out and then pull it through, leaving the bottom of the trench smooth. Your tester will act as your banksman with the laser level. I didn't have the luxury, but make sure you ground your bucket and drop your dead man when they come near. A final little tidy up before pulling through the bottom again and then moving back. Once happy with the depth, then move back, remembering to look around and always face the direction you are tracking in. Remember to dig in lateral layers, dropping the trench down layer by layer to the metre mark. You must also get full buckets and then place the spoil at least 1 metre away, keeping the stockpile nice and tidy. Because the hardest part of the game is even playing the game. Is caring enough to care about playing the game. Oh, it's so we cry in shame. Here comes rain. Now that you're approaching your 15 metres, your stockpile needs to be stepped back due to you going 1.5 metres deep. now going to be moving on to the manhole. Everyone does this slightly different, but I think you're best off doing it in 3 different stages. Each time you want to move over the right hand side, then the left hand side. During this you'll load the dumper. It's up to you to position the dumper. Signal the dumper operator in with hand signals. Once they're in position, wait for them to get off, stand clear, and give you the thumbs up.
It's only destiny. Where we go with this shit don't matter. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Hanging around the places that I shouldn't be, taking no shit, making enemies like I gotta be. Fucking crazy, rolling in directions that I don't believe, pretending that I'm someone that I'll never be. I will never be, I can never be. Hell is time long, there will be another place for you and me. Hell is time long, and nothing really matters really. I hope one day, Lord, you can open up your eyes and you will see it's only destiny. Where we go with this shit don't matter. This shit don't matter. Where we go with this shit don't matter. This shit don't matter. Trying to get back to my loneliness. I don't know what to do with all the happiness that you're giving me lately. You know that I could tell my heart to anything, but it seems that in the end I fuck up everything and it's killing me slowly.